Hello everyone, I am Monica Seni. I am here to present about the itsm for Amazon. First is introductions. The current era is prescribed to the period of technology advancement and the innovations. The firm strives through in order to achieve the competitive advantage in the marketplace. Third one is this is not the entire base on the adoptions of technology advancements rather than the way through which the product or services are delivered to the end of customers are equally important. Just like another organization, Amazon is also desirous to provide its client with economic, highly quantitative services. It is done with the in intentions to the strengthen the customer loyalty loop and get the increased market share. Now moving toward the background of selective business. In 1995, Jeff Bezos has established Fortune 500 companies Amazon's. After successful competitions of 4 years, the turnover of Amazon is $2.5 million. For the case of Amazon Initial, it was known as the bestseller for the book. At the present, it is prescribed to the best web service provided to the client. Now my next slide is customers of Amazon. The customers is the kind of marketplace Amazon's aim to the strength the customer loyalty loop to by having the more innovations and IT equipment service. This is one of the significant way the fulfill of the customer expectations. The website of Amazon is found to have more than 76 million account of the customers still. The customers of Amazon are not only the individual but also the business entities. Amazon has classified its customers to the three categories. For example, the customers, the developer customers, as well as the seller customer. They are the main classes that better support Amazon to achieve its long-term and the strategy business objectives. Now I will explain about the demand of Amazon customer. The customers of Amazon's are desirous to have the services that are highly quality and economics. The ACE is also acquired by joining the loyalty programs offered by Amazon. This services is acquired by the customer, actually the member, to have the free services for the shipping. It is actually the case of United Kingdom, Japan, Germany and US, etc. Now next slide is explained by Mannat Gupta. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Monica. My name is Mannat Gupta, and today I'm going to talk about business challenges for Amazon. Being the market leader, Amazon has to face certain challenges. It includes, as the given slide, like payment of huge amount to third-party sellers before getting the cash. Billions of suppliers are desirous to have the account on Amazon platform. Excessive competition exists among the suppliers. Business challenges for Amazon continue. In China, Amazon could not get remarkable growth. It is so because in Chinese market, people have more trust on Alibaba. For Amazon Prime services, the biggest competitors in USA market is Jet.com. In the USA, Jet.com has gained the popularity as it tends to offer the product in different varieties. The portfolio of Amazon is developed with the intention to offer numerous products with different price range. This approach is adopted in order to attract the large number of customers. In current era of technology, people are desirous to have the latest phones as early as possible. The portfolio of Amazon is found to have limited categories of mobile phones. Next, I'm going to talk about IT assistance to solve the challenges faced by Amazon. Amazon has solved the challenges through effective strategies. These are specifically about IT. For any online business, the most important parameter is about the payment, which tends to provide the surety of for a specific transaction. The payment methods being used by Amazon are secure and safe. Third, For the payment being linked with Amazon Pay, both the debit and credit cards are acceptable. At Amazon, the credit cards which are accepted at present includes Diners Club, Mastercard, Visa Card, JCB, as well as American Express. There are certain selected merchants that help to make use of Amazon.com store card. Some other facts about IT advancements at Amazon are: gift cards cannot be used for making payment. Adoption of flywheel philosophy to excel in marketplace. The use of Six Sigma and international standards. And the adoption of IT infrastructure library for service management. In this particular slide, the firm structure is being shown. Here we can see Jeff Bezos is the founder, like CEO. Jeff Blackburn is the SVP and corporate development. Jeff Helbing is advertiser to CEO. Jeff Wilke is worldwide consumer to CEO. Daigo Tani is international retail. Brian Owaski is financial administrator. Jay Carney is corporate affairs global and corporate affairs. Beth Gilady is HR manager. Andy Jesse is handling the COE Amazon Web Services. David is the legal counselor. Next is IT service provider. Being serving as IT service provider, Amazon has prioritized to make use of Amazon Pay. This platform is specific type for supporting payments from both the merchants or the shoppers. For the case of Amazon Pay, there are two different categories. First is Pay with Amazon. This type is aimed at supporting the transactions by merchants specifically. By making use of this feature, the merchants can better provide the users with the amazing shopping experience over the Amazon platform. And the second thing is Login and Pay. This class is designed to better support the shoppers who are being registered at the platform of Amazon. This is how the shoppers can have the facility of quick checkout for thousands of applications as well as the websites. Thank you, and next further slides will be continued by Manpreet.
Thank you, Mannat, for explaining challenges explained by Amazon. Now I would like to explain about IT service catalog. Amazon intend to provide high quality services. The significant features are fast and quick services, journal and easy usability, comprehensive services, accessibility to millions of users at a time, identify having the enriched specification and features, checkout with support inline service, integration of the website of the merchant, automation of the payment method, early detection and avoidance of fraud, support for the mobile application. Moving further, there exist 5 stages for ITIL life cycle. It includes service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, and continual service improvement. In order to equip the business process with the IT concept, these stages are linked with each other. This is how the ultimate purpose is achieved by certain organization, that is Amazon for the case study. Now I would like to explain these stages in detail. The first one is service strategy. Amazon is intent to strengthen the customer loyalty loop by maintaining a strong association with the customers. It is actually about the indirect linkage between the shopper and the merchant. To better serve the customer, there is an immense need to first identify their need. It is better done in this ITIL phase.
The other important parameter for this phase are about BRM, that is Business Relationship Management. SPM stands for Service Portfolio Management, as well as Financial Management. It can be said that during this phase, Amazon formulate all specific strategy that are required to achieve its strategical goal and the objective. The next one is service design. In order to improve the customer's experience, there is a new design of services being implemented at Amazon is better suggested in this phase of ITIL. Service level management, capacity management, service catalog management, as well as IT service continuity management are perceived to be the key process of service design. For the case of SLA KPIs, all the errors that can affect the performance at Amazon are better recorded for the monitoring and the correction purposes. The other three stages of ITL are, as I'm going to explain, are service transition. The key parameter of service transition phase which are tackled by Amazon include management of change, evaluation, planning for the service transition, deployment and testing management, and validation services. The SLA KPIR for services transition phase include maintaining the a record for the change required, changes that have been implemented by the business entity along with the transfer of knowledge to the customers, etc. The fourth one is service operation. The service operation phase of ITIL is all about dealing with the provision of the services. That is how effectively a firm is providing the services to its customer. At Amazon, this phase is basically used for the purpose of fulfillment of the request, effective management of the problem, as well as access management. The SLA KPI for service operation phase include the maintenance of record for the cost being incurred along with the percentage of actions being taken to better resolve the problem. The last stage is continual service improvement. The more the service are accessed after regular interval, the better there are chances to provide with the quality services. The SLA KPIs for this phase that need to be determined by Amazon are about the satisfaction of the customer as well as the improvement required to satisfy the customer. Moving further, in this slide I'm going to explain about the deeming cycle. The deeming cycle is actually a repetitive cycle in order to improve the services on continual basis. The PDCA has four phases, that is plan, do, check and act. This cycle is perceived to be the effective and purposeful cycle for achieving the positive outcome from the continuous improvement. In the plan stage of a deeming cycle, the data for the problem is gathered and arranged properly in order to evaluate the reason for the problem. The do stage is about the formulation and effective strategy in order to resolve different problems. It may relate to the identification of different methods of payment for Amazon. The check stage is about measuring the actual performance by comparing it with the expectations. The last stage is the act stage, which is all about the implementation of strategy for the purpose of resolving a problem. This is how the continual improvement is focused by Amazon. Uh, at last, it is time to conclude the presentation. So, the technological advancements are crucial to implement a specified change. That is, the payment method being implemented by Amazon is based on the practice of itsm. It has allowed Amazon to compete in the marketplace as compared to PayPal. It is recommended to focus more on the latest technologies for getting the feedback from the customers for improving the services quality. Here are some references we have used in our presentation. Thank you for your attention.